Hello and welcome to the wonderful world of analog technologies. With headquarters conveniently located in Silicon Valley, California, we've been engaged in electronics for more than 21 years now. Our headquarters are in California with 2 manufacturing plants in China to handle any of your needs. We have a number of different electronic work groups which can accommodate almost anything that you might need. This is Analog Technologies. Give us a try. Hello, my name is Dennis. I'm one of the engineers in the electronics department here at Analog Technologies, and I'd like to introduce you to the ATLS250MA106D, I hate those long names, laser drivers. These are ultra-low noise, constant current laser drivers. The maximum output current of this driver is 250 mA. With different loads, the maximum output current change is 0.7 mA. The output current absolute accuracy is less than 0.1%, and it has a very compact size, 20 mm by 14.5 mm. There are 2 packages available, through-hole mounts and surface mounts for your different needs. If you want to know more about our products, we have a full line of electronics. Visit us at the Analog Technology website. Whatever project you're working on, I'm sure we have exactly what you need. So give us a try. You'll like what you see here at Analog Technologies.